Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're doing a very quick video. We're going to cover the soldering of a Yorkshire fitting or a capillary fitting. Now maybe you're going to say, well, what's the difference? Well, if you look inside there, you can just see there's a very nice little ring of solder already pre-soldered into there. What that basically means is, unlike this one here, which is a regular Endfeed fitting, in there you have nothing. It's just a normal Endfeed fitting as you'd normally find, which you slot onto the pipe and you solder away. So if you're like me, you've come across these. I mean, look at that, they look very ugly. They look disgusting compared to a normal Endfeed fitting. There's nothing like seeing a nice little length of copper and then you're seeing that thing stuck on the end. And don't get me wrong, I'm guilty of using them anyway. When you've got a nice little tight area that you can't get into, you've got your arm above your head, you're trying to hold the pipe in place, you're trying to solder with a blow lamp, you're upside down. Sometimes you can't help it. You've got to use one. Or you're not a real plumber. Either way, it makes life nice and easy. So let's have a look at what we can do or how we solder it, and you never know, you might be able to give it a go yourself. So what we're going to do guys is get a brush, we're going to put some flux on the end of here like so. Nice even layer all the way around. This doesn't matter, this is water soluble anyway, so I wouldn't worry too much. We're going to pop the fitting onto there like so, and then we're going to get the other side and do exactly the same thing. Wish wash. Right, that's nicely done guys, nicely done. Perfect apprentice there. I'm going to whack that on there. And another quick tip guys, once you've got it like so, you can run your finger around and get rid of all the excess flux, because you don't want that dripping everywhere. Now we're going to set a heat lamp to a nice steady temperature, okay? So, not like that. That's silly. Nice little steady temperature like that. We're going to solder this slightly different to an Endfeed fitting. We're going to run this lamp all the way around the fitting, okay guys? Instead of just focusing in one area. See that? It's running nicely. Oh yeah. I'm going to go around the other side. And that's it guys. Perfectly soldered fitting. Now, once your Yorkshire fitting is finished, you're going to polish it up using wire wool or a cleaning strip like me, which is not an excuse, honestly. I just don't have it with me. Badly prepared, I'm sorry. Now, can you see how appalling that looks to an Endfeed fitting? With the Endfeed fitting, it's slightly different, as we know. With this, we're going to keep the heat on. We've already got the flux there. I haven't wiped it off, that's a mistake. Try and move it slightly away. I'm trying to watch the camera at the same time. And then, with this, you heat a little bit backwards down the pipe, over the fitting, and then you run it across like that, okay? Normally you can get a nice little run, it's a bit difficult from where I am. I'm not making excuses guys, honestly. That looks appalling. But I'll just show you the difference anyway guys. Once it's cooled down, don't forget to give them a wipe before you polish them up. Get all that dirty, nasty green shite off it. And that's your Endfeed guys. Obviously I'll polish it a hell of a lot more than it is now, but I'm just showing you the difference between the two. Even with the Yorkshire fitting being self-soldering, I'm pretty much guilty myself of using them, but also when you're soldering them you don't trust them, so you end up adding a little bit of solder into the fitting just to be safe. I mean, you don't need to. I've never had one fail on me yet, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up guys, hit the subscribe button, I'll see you on the next video.